Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the ownership or host of a Google Meet event using your computer. Sometimes you create a meeting but later want someone else to take charge. Maybe a teacher handing over to another teacher, or a team member taking control of a meeting. Here's exactly how to do it. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. because Google Meet ownership is managed through Google Calendar, not directly inside Meet. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that created the event. Now, find the meeting you want to transfer. It'll have the Google Meet link in it. Click once on the event, then click Edit or the pencil icon to open the full details. Next, look at the right side of the screen for the Guests section. If the person you want to make host isn't added yet, type their email under Add Guests and press Enter. Then click Save and choose Send Update so they get the invite. Now, to give them hosting privileges, click on the video camera icon next to the Meet link that opens the meeting options. Scroll down until you see Co-hosts or Host Controls. Click Add Co-host and choose their name from the list. Once added, they'll be able to manage the meeting just like you, admitting participants, muting others, and sharing their screen. But if you want to completely hand over the meeting, go back to the event page. At the top right corner, click the three-dot menu and select Change Owner. Type in the email address of the new person, then click Send. They'll get an email asking to accept ownership. Once they confirm, that person officially becomes the new owner of both the Google Calendar event and the Google Meet link. And that's it. That's how to change or transfer the host in Google Meet on your computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials like this one.